इंडिया में सभी का स्वागत है। द टोपाज इवेंट प्रेजेंट मिस एंड मिसेस रॉयल ग्लोबल क्वीन का आयोजन डॉक्टर नीलम पराडिया जी ने किया था। महिलाओं को प्रेरणा देने के लिए इन्होंने ये इस प्रोग्राम का आयोजन किया था। अंतर्राष्ट्रीय सौंदर्य प्रतियोगिता मिस एंड मिसेस रॉयल ग्लोबल क्वीन 2024 सीजन 4 और रॉयल ग्लोबल क्वीन द टोपाज इवेंट प्रेजेंट मिस एंड मिसेस रॉयल ग्लोबल क्वीन 2024 भारत में किया सीजन 4 में डॉक्टर शशिकला कुवैत, सबटाइटल ब्यूटीफुल स्माइल, कैटेगरी विनर मिसेस क्लासिक विनर 2024, विनर टाइटल मिसेस वर्ल्ड रॉयल ग्लोबल क्वीन 2024 यह किताब जीते।
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Miss and Mrs. Royal Global Queen Season 4. This is your host, Anchor Riya Thatte, presented by CM News India. And with us, we have a beautiful Dr. Shashikala here with us, all the way from Kuwait. Hello, firstly.
Hello.
Firstly, I would like to ask you that, you've entered this beautiful journey. Really want to know who's been your biggest support or your cheerleader in this journey.
Good evening, CM News. I have a very beautiful family which always supports me. As I'm a single mother, my two beautiful daughters, they have been my core support system. They cheer me up like I'm a child with them. And then, yes, I can't forget my dear friends back there who are always cheering for me, and all the lovely people here, the sisterhood, what I've, experienced in this pageant, each one of them, they are beautiful souls. Everybody is a support system. And me, myself, I'm a person who believes in self-love, self-worth. Yeah, everybody's been an excellent support system, and I must say, Neelam, she's been very inspirational right from the beginning till the end. She will never give up on any one of us. That's really an inspirational person, I must say. And thank you very much, CM News, for giving me this opportunity to talk a few words. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. And I think, the new trend is like the self-love, which everyone is following, and it's the best thing to make you reach anywhere. With this, Dr. Shashikala, we love them. You have got the subtitle. So, which subtitle have you won today?
Well, that you must see at me, look at me and must say, yes. Yeah, so yes, definitely. As I'm a dentist, I create smiles. So it's very nice to get this award, this title, Beautiful Smile, the best smile. Thank you so much for recognizing and appreciating. Thank you very much.
Lovely. Yeah, actually, I couldn't take my eyes off the diamond that's like shining on your tooth. So, yeah. All right. Thank you very much. It'll be a pleasure to have you here. Thank you so much.
दुनिया भर के 10 देशों में से महिलाओं ने पार्टिसिपेट किया था। महिला सशक्तिकरण और अंतर्राष्ट्रीय एकीकरण के साथ भाईचारे के सामाजिक उद्देश्यों का जश्न मनाया गया। यह वैश्विक मंच पर कॉस्मेटिक डेंटल सर्जन डॉक्टर नीलम पराडिया और द टोपाज इवेंट द्वारा आयोजित स्टार स्टडेड कार्यक्रम था।
नमस्ते, अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वनक्कम. నా పేరు శశికళ. मी आमची मुंबईला कुवैत वरून आलेली आहे. कर्मण्येवाधिकारस्ते मा फलेषु कदाचित्. From creating beautiful smiles to a single mother, to Mrs. India finalist, to being on the cover page magazine model, to the runway model New York Fashion Week, to the Sahib Phatke Award. I stand tall here today on this esteemed pedestal, bowing down with gratitude. Khub aabhar chu, vandanagalu. Thank you all.
Hi, Dr. Shashikala.
Hello, good afternoon, esteemed judges and everyone here.
Thank you. I'd like to ask you this question. By the way, you look gorgeous.
Thank you.
What does beauty mean to you?
Thank you, ma'am, for such an enticing question. Well, to me, true beauty is a sheer reflection of your soul. It shines from within. It's an aura. It's what you radiate. Beauty is when you can appreciate yourself. It's when you can embrace and love yourself. That's when you're the most beautiful. It's a deep sense of self-love, self-worth, purpose, and a positive demeanor. Beauty, being elegant and uplifting through yourself. Thank you.
Great answer. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
and here she wins the title of having the most beautiful smile.
So kindly give a huge round of applause for a wonderful, wonderful classic category. And the winner for classic category goes to contestant number 13, Dr. Shashikala. Big and a huge round of applause for our contestant number 13, Dr. Shashikala, for winning the title for the classic category. Ladies and gentlemen, and a huge congratulations on winning being the winner for the classic category. Once again, heartiest congratulations to Dr. Shashikala, contestant number 13. Royal Global Queen winner for 2024. Hold on to your hearts, and the winner for Mrs. World Royal Global Queen winner 2024 goes to contestant number 1 and 313, Dr. Shashikala. Oh my God! And yes, let me pinch you, Dr. Shashikala, because this is absolutely surreal and real. Can we all put your hands together for Dr. Shashikala for winning Mrs. World Royal Global Queen winner 2024. King of today. With this, she takes back a lot of memories and a lot of friends here from Miss and Mrs. Royal Global Queen Season 4.
Namaste, Assalamu alaikum. Good evening, everyone. And this feels absolutely surreal. I can't thank the universe, I can't thank God, my family, my friends, and my two beautiful daughters, everyone who has supported me, the crew, Mrs. Neelam Paradia, this organization, and the co contestants, everyone, each and everyone, the cameramen, everyone. I can't thank. It feels absolutely elated, and I am very short of words because I have won 3 crowns. One is for the best smile, second is the winner classic round, and the third is the Mrs. World, Miss and Mrs. Global Queen Award. What I must say is, like, you have to believe in yourself and you have to listen to your inner voice. When you believe in yourself, however hard it is, you can definitely do it. I have a small message for all the men and women out there. For the men, you have the queens in your life, like your mother, your daughter, your sister, your wife. Please encourage them, respect them, and support them. And for all the beautiful women out there in the world, you're all queens. Just make a small change from 1C to 3C. What I mean is from comfort zone to the 3Cs are confidence, compassion, and courage. When you make this change, you will metamorphosize into a beautiful butterfly where you can fly high. I can't stop talking. Thank you all for everything, and thank you, Lord, for everything. Thank you, News, for everything. Thank
मिस एंड मिसेस रॉयल ग्लोबल क्वीन सीजन 4 का आयोजन बेहद सफल रहा और इसके साथ हम अभी के लिए अलविदा लेते हैं। सीएम न्यूज इंडिया, मुंबई।